had been told no, I think by 4 lenders now. So I've been denied by like 4 lenders so far. I've been denied by 4 lenders. They denied me on my loan, by the way.
This building has so much potential.
So much potential. That's the funny thing. Have you ever invested in real estate?
No.
But you can easily see that, right?
Yeah.
You can easily see what I see, but the bank can't see shit. I'm in the building right now and I want you to see what you guys are saying is too bad. I'm in it right now, bro.
You need to stop.
I'm never gonna stop, Thomas.
We're working on it. So the deal's going through the second committee. What I need from you is just a little bit more detail. I know you said you're gonna get attorneys and blah, blah, blah. I need some detail on what your strategy is gonna be to lease this place up. Last night, I'm like, this guy, dude, he can't stop. I say yes, and he can't stop.
Don't you know that I don't quit, bro? So we're looking at this floor. I kind of want you guys to just see what my vision is here. This is a shared conference room. This is wasted space. We'd want to build this out right here, put a couple more units in here. But the first thing is filling up these empty offices with people in them because they produce income. You want to rent this whole office? This is $1,000, right? Or $1,200, $1,100. Okay, another one. This is probably like $1,000 office right here. This one would be like a not a view office, so you charge a little bit less. Maybe that's $800. This is just wasted space right here. So I just build this out between these things and try to make 2 offices over here, 2 offices over here, and just use that hallway.
I'm gonna be completely transparent with you. I think that this deal is gonna get done.
But did you notice this? Was that?
Looks like a lot of work, though.
Dude, if this was fixed up, it'd be 20 million bucks. But it's not rough, it's in good shape.
I just don't want to get caught with your pants down.
That's the play here.
Well,
It's multifamily.
right.
It's multifamily.
But that costs a significant amount of money.
That's the only way to do it, Troy.
I disagree. Why wouldn't you want to do mixed?
His office is dead. What's going on right here?
That was a conversion into apartment buildings.
Why?
Because it made the most sense for that one. But no, if it was in worse shape.
That's my point.
No, if it was in worse shape, I would agree with you.
Worse shape.
Yeah.
No, Troy.
I'm gonna get this freaking deal done. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get it done, but I'm gonna get this deal done. I'm gonna get this freaking deal done. I've been kind of just stuck, but I'm gonna figure out a way to get this deal done no matter what. This is a property that I'm in love with. I want it really bad. Sometimes you don't get what you want, but if you're determined, you do. And I'm determined. Don't ever freaking quit. Don't ever quit. Don't ever quit. Don't ever quit. Don't ever quit. Never, ever quit unless you own a tow company and the state is trying to shut you down. What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you the power of real estate, the power of starting with one property, how one property can turn into a skyscraper. This has been a dream of mine to buy something like this for years and years and years. And I started with one property. I started failing. If you're brand new to investing in real estate, this is going to teach you why you never freaking quit. I got turned down by literally 10 different lenders and I still got it done. And if you're watching this channel and you're like, dude, I want to rent this place. I want to be in the best location in Kansas City. Call 816-280-4021. How you doing? Nice to meet you. There was a lot of decisions to make, like, what do we do here? In fact, a car hit this damn building when we were in escrow. So the funny thing is, I am the 3rd owner of a building that's over 100 years old. So this property was on the market for 4 years. If you're not familiar with tax increment financing and historical tax credits, these old buildings qualify for 45 cents on the dollar of rehab if you turn it into an apartment building, if you turn it into office building, if you renovate it. Right here, right behind us, we have the Mark Twain building. The Mark Twain building, they just built 210 apartment buildings. And how does that break down? If I've got a building like this, which is 96,000 square feet, and I turn it into multifamily, I'm gonna have a huge construction budget. Let's say it's 20 million bucks. I can get about 45 cents on the dollar back by selling those tax credits to someone else. So it really brings down the investment. These people over here, they don't even have freaking parking. I've got parking. I got 61 spots and I'm towing.
They like your parking too.
Yeah, they like my parking over there. This guy's gonna get towed. This guy right here, he's getting towed. He keeps parking in my spot. He's gonna get towed. We just yanked somebody else. You guys didn't know I used to own a towing business. And I got no problem towing somebody. It says clear as freaking day, private parking will tow your shit, right? And apparently this guy doesn't know how to read. And Ross behind him right now told him, hey man, the guy's gonna tow your shit if you keep parking there. He keeps parking there. Anyways, I know I can turn the top 2 floors, which were never ever built out from the 114-year history or whatever it is. I can turn those into money. The basement I can turn into a speakeasy. And then I can fill this up with office space. Man, this place is amazing. Let's show, and listen, if you're a bank right now and you're looking for a badass location in downtown Kansas City with a drive-through, with a vault, come on over. Guess what it comes with? A vault with all the keys to everything, right? Like we found, guess how much money we found in here? Bank of Oklahoma doesn't know how much money we found in here. I'm gonna show you something secret right over here. Whoopsie. This is how much money we found in here. Not a goddamn thing. They took it all with them. But this would be a perfect spot for a bank, or, you know, kind of one of the things you want to learn in real estate is identifying who your tenant's gonna be. This is perfect for a couple different tenants. As we're looking at this right now, what do you think the best use for this is? I'll tell you what I thought. The one cool thing is they have this whole thing built out, this whole little fence built out so that we can have all the main traffic walk around to the elevator so we can't disturb this. It'd be a great coffee house, you know, cooking and everything like that. That's one idea. Other idea, it would be a fantastic law office. You want prestige, you got all your paralegals over here. This could even quite possibly be a good event space. You know, if you're sitting here and you're like, I want a cool office location, I'm a lawyer, I got a personal injury law firm, you kick your feet up, I'm gonna sue some insurance companies, and I'm gonna make some money for my clients. So it'd be a great location for that. I'd love to hear what you think would be a good tenant. And if you know a good tenant, I'll pay you a finder's fee. And Kansas City is changing. Like, I believe that, like, Amazon's gonna come here. I mean, it's central, it's called the hub of the Midwest. There's a lot of opportunity here in Kansas City, and that's one of the key components in investing in real estate. You gotta recognize where the opportunity is. And just looking at this building, I knew that I wasn't gonna have to do anything, really. So we're gonna go to the top 2 floors of this building. I'm gonna show you what my ideas are. I'd love to hear about what you think. So this is one of the floors that was never built out. Should this be built as office, a workout gym, a yoga studio, a Thai massage? These are all things that I want in this building. But we're gonna turn this into multifamily. We believe that we can get between 7 and 10 units on this floor. You got the views of the Kansas City skyline. I'm gonna build a penthouse for myself. This will be the penthouse. You can see what the view looks like over there. So this is amazing, right? Penthouse right here. We've got a couple tenants who've been here 50 years. That's how much they like this building. So this is the 11th floor. And we're gonna turn this into what? What do you think we're gonna turn this into? Apartment buildings. Now, one thing you're gonna find out, you're like, Troy, are you gonna do these windows? Are you gonna make these windows bigger, right? Should I redo these windows? Thumbs up or thumbs down on that? Definitely a thumbs down. Why? Because if I redo these windows, I'm gonna have to hire some dude to get up way up in the sky from the outside. I'm gonna have to spend so much money. It's not gonna qualify probably for historical tax credits. The plan for these 2 floors is to turn them into multifamily. Okay, so I'd love to turn this into like a Topgolf. You don't want to have a bunch of drunk people falling off it. We're gonna have to build some stuff on the side. Basic, don't push me off, Ross. This is, I know you're thinking about it. How many YouTubers do you know that own a skyscraper? How many YouTubers who give education on real estate sit behind their office and talk to you about having a 780 FICO score? Do you know in commercial real estate, they don't even care what your credit score is? And bank, I just splintered my hand like a mother. There's a thing called a debt service coverage ratio. It's called the Dscr. And banks want what is called a 1.3. Whatever the income in the building needs to cover the debt by 1.3 times the mortgage, right? So if the mortgage is $10,000, they want $13,000 coming in the door, 10,000 times 1.3. This wouldn't cover it, right? Look at how bad that's bleeding, dude. I told you I got that thing good. And look at how good of shape this building is in. I know it's not like, you know, freaking A grade right now, but we could definitely replace the carpet. These are the original windows, by the way. Do you think I'm gonna replace these windows that are perfectly in good shape that have lasted for 100 and something years? The answer is absolutely not. No way. If you're brand new to investing in real estate and you're like, I need a mentor, we have a mentorship program. We've got a book. It's called Millionaire Mentorship. We have it in Spanish. And we have a program where we can teach you how to invest in real estate. We've got several students right now. One of our students, Eddie Ramos, he's doing his first flip. He's making 75 grand in his pocket because he took a chance and he invested in himself. What are you doing differently than you did the year before? Are you still doing the same things and expecting a different result? Now, this is our office. So right here, we're gonna be building our podcast. And then right here, guess what we're doing? So as many of you guys may know, I'm trying to get really good at golf. And I thought it would be super cool to build a golfing simulator in this space right here. And that's kind of the cool stuff that you can do with real estate. My plan for this whole space right here is going to be to turn it into an education platform. Show you my office now. It's a mess right now, so just ignore this, but guess what I paid for this? Free $99. And these are like, you know, $10,000 worth of furniture, so we kept it. Oh, this is the original plans of it. You can see this, it's pretty cool right there. These plants were told to me that they were dead. They've been in this office probably for 2 years dying. So I've been watering them, and this is like my symbolism for the building coming back to life. Like, I like plants, I like to see things grow. There's a guy who's actually been in this building working for 32 years, but he goes, those plants are dead. I said, everybody said this building's dead too. So I'm gonna take these plants, I'm gonna start watering them. They're gonna come back to life, and I'm gonna start watering this building, and it's gonna come back to life, right? A couple things on this video I want you to do. Number one, smash that freaking like button. Number two, hit that subscribe button. Number three, hit that notification button. And number four, schedule a call with us, man. We'll help you out. Like, if there's no obligation, we will help you get there, right? You need help in life. If you're looking for like a mentor, and you're like, I don't know who the right person is, ask your mentor, what have you done, man? What have you done lately? There's a lot of people online that are just fake. They're selling a bunch of BS. We're selling you a formula to succeed. I'm calling you Jeff Bezos. I'm calling you Larry Ellison. I'm calling you Stephen Roth, you Carl Icahn. I'm calling all of you billionaires, come down here, let's do something together, man. I want to surround myself with great people in this office. I'll work a freaking deal with you. If you got a business right now and you're saying, I have a great idea and I need someone that's willing to work a deal with me, I'm willing to work a deal with you. If you're like, I need a place, I've got this great opportunity, I've got this great idea, and I just need someone that's willing to do a deal, I'll do a deal with you. Like, if you need a free place to rent, we could work a trade. You know, I'm not some corporate bureaucrat who doesn't understand that it takes a little bit of ingenuity to get ahead. You've got a business, you can help my business, we'll do something. You've got a cool technology that you're working on, let's do something together, right? And that's what's gonna make me rent this building. Because one thing that I understood from the many offices that I have owned, the many office buildings that I have owned, is you gotta think different. A lot of these guys who own offices are REITs. And if you're investing in REITs right now, stop. Because most of these REITs, what they do is they say, hey, yeah, we're gonna give you all this money. You know what they do? They don't give you nothing. They give you a bunch of BS, a fake return, a fake investment. They say, we have to give you this amount of our taxable value. Guess what? In real estate, you don't pay taxes because of cost segregation. That's what I was getting to. You can go through bonus depreciation and pay no freaking taxes or eliminate your taxes, because on this building alone, we will be able to take, after construction, probably a $3 or $4 million loss on paper that we can write against our income. So if the REIT is saying we're gonna return that, it's just a big sales ploy. Anyways, to wrap this video up, I want to kind of end it on a couple points. Get outside your comfort zone. Invest in real estate. Get a coach and take action. And if you're looking for someone to help you, I've got your back. I have helped hundreds of people invest in real estate. Subscribe to this channel, share this video with a friend, and get started investing in real estate. We will help you get there. I make my money off of real estate, and I can teach you how to do there. And we have a coaching program just for you. If you're scared, if you're fearful, if you want to change your life, you want to change and take action, make sure you're subscribed, schedule a call with us today, and we'll get you started. Peace.